Hi, my name is Marilyn Crump. Thank you for tuning in to this new channel, Momentum Blueprints. And the whole purpose for this channel is to kind of separate out a little bit of the different things that we are building in regards to resources. There's another channel that you can find that has my face and all this other information on there, but this channel is to kind of bring a little bit more efficiency for those who are looking for certain information and projects. We have our Pajama Saturday online workshop series that I'll be talking about, which has an accompanying new podcast, the Pajama Saturday the Pajama Saturday podcast. It's just me talking in my pajamas. That one has no video because you don't always want to see me in my pajamas, but all about business and mindset, etc. We have Into Manifest for those of you who might be a little woo woo when it comes to your businesses and even just your personal life. I will tell you that I've learned so much about mindset and manifestation throughout the years that I can't live any differently. So, no apologies here. You shouldn't have to apologize either if you feel the same way, because guess what? If something positive is going to happen, why not? Let's do it. Let's live it up. We have affiliate marketing because one, I love sharing in the goodies, and if there's something I can give back to the people who support me, by all means, let's do it that way. So affiliate marketing, in the terms of what we're going to call it here, is really you referring people to resources that we're building for them. So they find the resources that they need. You get a little bit of kickback, and not just a little bit. Right now, we're actually offering 60% commission structure for referring. So technically, per person, you make more than me, and that's totally cool because I would rather pay you for spreading the word than buying up a bunch of ads that may or may not work. I love organic marketing, and you're part of that vision. So I appreciate any interest, of course. What else is there? Ooh, we have our refined strategic blueprint training. That's a little bit more in depth. So if you already have an existing business, if you're really trying to build a smart business plan and removing a lot of the excess work that's really not necessary, then that program is totally for you. We meet twice a month for that one. We meet twice a month for the Into Manifest. And then we're going to have twice a month trainings for the pajama workshops. Why do I call it pajama workshops? Because they happen on Saturdays and you can be in your pajamas. Maybe the kids are being helped by an older sibling on a Saturday, or your spouse, whatever it takes so that you can concentrate on your business and learn some good stuff. That's what it's about. And so those things will be captured and taped as well. So if you can't make it on a Saturday morning because you'd rather sleep in, it's quite all right. If you register, you'll always get the replay. What else can I tell you? Well, I just want to keep it real here on this channel and let you know that I'm here to support you. So if you have any ideas, thoughts, and things that could be better, or things that we can create so that your life will be easier, by all means, please share it. I have a presence on Facebook. You can always join one of the groups that's on there. Comment here if you like, and or subscribe to a newsletter. I'll give you more information on that later. I'm also on LinkedIn for those of you business people who like LinkedIn. Actually, that's a pretty fun spot there as well. So we'll find each other, absolutely. And I look forward to serving you and watching your growth. So until next time, talk to you soon. Bye for now.